Guys, excuse the mess, but I'm just like I just finished wash the fridge, like all the things in the fridge and the freezer. I took everything out, all the glass, excuse the laundries, all the glass stuff, and I just wash everything in the bathroom and I just put it here so it dry. Now the fridge is empty, so I'm going downstairs to clean the fridge. I put everything off because I want the ice to melt. So now I have all of this here, all of this there. So guys, this is what the fridge is looking like. I took everything out, and the freezer is also, everything is empty. I put everything in the store, in the store, the freezer in the store. So I just want the ice to melt. You guys can see the ice is melting. I put this little thing here to collect the water, and I put towel on the ground for excess water. So I want everything. I still have some ice in here, so yeah, it's totally switch off, and we're going to allow it to melt, everything to melt, because a lot of ice. There's a lot of, I'm going to boil like hot water and then put it in here and then close it and see if it's going to help. I just really want to clean everything and do a general cleaning. So yep, this is what I've been doing. And also washings. Today I didn't have to cook dinner. All I did was cook rice, as you guys can see. This is the rice I'm cooking. I am warming up the sauce. I have some laundries that I need to take out. It's already dry. I need to get them upstairs and fold them. And so everything in the fridge is out. I just put everything in here. I don't really have a lot. I have a visitor, so I went and buy some juice, because normally I don't buy juice. So whenever I have visitors, that's when I will buy this juice. And if I don't have visitors, I just drink water. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm going to take this water upstairs because I like to use this water to spray on my hair. Whenever I want to moisturize my hair, and I like to spray a little bit of water before moisturizing my hair. I baked a little bit of cake yesterday. It's almost finished. And yeah, so this is it. So stay tuned for everything. When I'm done, I'll come back and show you guys. So team Fullest, I'm going to clean the fridge. I have my bucket with warm water and a little bit of soap. Do I still have baking soda? Oh, I still have to go to the store. I still have a little baking soda, so I'm just going to use that. The water has, everything has melted. Excuse my crazy face mask if you guys see me. I'm trying to clean and at the same time make sure my skin is perfect. So excuse the crazy face mask. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the water and I'm just going to wipe everything clean. The water, the ice has melted. Just wipe everything clean, and then I'm going to fix everything back and then put it on. So I'm done cleaning, wiping everything. Everything is looking very, very good. So I'm first going to put all the containers back in. And then after that, I'm going to chop onions, 1 onions into 4. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge to get rid of any bad smell or odor. It doesn't have any bad smell, but I just like to do this every time I clean the fridge. I like to cut an onions and put it inside. But first I'm going to store all the containers. So this is what it's looking like. And then I'm going to get the remaining the food stuff that I put in the store, in the freezer, in the store, because there are some things that needs to be in here that I like to use, and I don't need to be going to the store all the time. So now let's go and get the containers and put everything back. So this is the finished result of the bathroom. Everything is clean and I'm done cleaning. So this is everything. I need to get a new hand wash cream, but yeah, I think I do have one in the basement, but I'll check. And this is everything, and I stack all toilet rolls because it gets finished so quickly when you have kids in the house. They use it a lot. And yeah, this is a frame that was given to me. It's actually behind, it has a beautiful text, a beautiful note, handwritten notes. Was given to me by someone very special, so I still kept it. And I love the woman with the carrying the child and the print at the back. The print, I just loved it. I received it when I had my daughter, and this frame was given to me by a friend of mine. She's going to be very surprised that I still have this, because she thought maybe I'd throw it away, but I still love it. I kept it. It's very, very beautiful. And that's this. And this is just a toilet bag full of lady things, lady stuff. So that's where I kept my lady things. And yeah, I'm done cleaning. The bathroom is looking nice, so let's pray. I hope, cross finger cross, that it keeps clean like this till the end of this week. But you know what, this one, but I always like to clean the bathroom every 2 or 3 days. I just like to go in with some paper, with some water and towel, and just wipe and do cleaning. And then in the weekend I do general cleaning, just like what I did today. So yeah, so now I'm going to vacuum the corridor and then put the dirty towels in the laundry, and then I can go ahead and take shower and then remove this mask off my face. It has dried, so yeah, it's time to remove it. I was thinking I'm going to do general cleaning. Let me just do my skincare. I wash my face, I exfoliate my face, and then put on some face mask. This is the Mario Dabuski. Can't pronounce the name incorrectly, but this is their face mask, and I just put it on because this was the last one. I thought, let me just put it on, and then when I'm done cleaning, I'll just go and take a shower. At least my skin, the house is clean, and my skin is taken good care of. So now I'm going to vacuum the corridor and then get everything ready, and then put the dirty laundry in the washing machine and put everything up.